Did she buy it here? Or she
Forwarded
service
to an automated.
She bought it. These are all people that bought cars.
All right, so she didn't answer. What do we do next? Because we're not chickens. What do I do right next? What's the next thing? Call her again. Good.
Forwarded to an automated.
She didn't answer. I'm not a chicken. So what do I do? All right, we'll do 3 times. 3 times is a little aggressive. I don't blame you if you don't want to do that.
Forwarded to an automated.
All right, so go stay on that lead, please. Hey, Danielle, this is Kyle from Loyalty Toyota. We're looking to buy cars right now, and I noticed that you have that Corolla. Give me a call when you get this, please, because I want to make you an offer on it. We're literally in a meeting looking to buy cars, and your car came up, and look forward to talking to you. Give me a call as soon as you can, please.